See what it does?
Is it okay if I give you a mic so I can ask you what you're doing?
Right now, this is what is going to go there. But you know they have a piece of aluminum here, the brace. The
Yeah.
one is, so what I'm doing right now, I have to make something so it can go in. Right now, I'm just going to glue it on. For now, just to knock up like.
I did this picture.
Air conditioner right there. Don't start. Don't start.
That's great.
Don't start. See, this is difficult for me. For one person play with the.
So what exactly are you trying to do?
Well, in the beginning, right now I just got it in the morning. These braces they have, the hood.
The
there
braces
was a
on the
square.
inside of the
There was a square. They don't fit right. So, you know, months ago that we fit the hood in the beginning, I can adjust it because the motor was inside, all the things. So it was hard, you know, so that's why we stopped to. And we grind all the aluminum so it goes in and out easy. Because when it's going to have the pain, it's going to be harder. And these things, they was like this. They don't was straight. So now I straight everything. That's why I'm putting these bumps where it's going to sit, and we're going to go from there.
Got it.
Whatever it needs, I'm going to be available to go inside and adjust the locks. Because we never adjusted. We just leave it like that. It was. You know, it was lifting good, but it never been adjusted.
It wasn't like perfectly aligned.
No, because
Got it.
we have to be inside, you know. So
Couldn't be inside because the motors were inside. I follow.
but no, if I leave it right in place, they always move. You know, it's metal. Because remember in the beginning there was the rod.
Yeah.
They was gonna go like this.
Yeah.
So fast. Right now I leave it open, more open, and then when they close, that's where it goes to the right measurement that I want. Oh, right there is the original hood, look. So the people can see. I mean, I know a lot of people, they have concern about what we did on the car.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I mean, it's a little bit longer than the original one. This is the one that came with the car. It was hard, that's why we cut the size to make it longer. And to make the same weight of this, for me, I mean, it's not easy. We should have made our new hood ourselves. It was gonna be easier. No, that's what I think. Yeah, but see, she always, one side always fit good, I don't know why. That's what we cut in the beginning. I'm the outsider.
You're the outsider?
Yeah, that's why I don't have no good shirt.
Why are you the outsider?
I don't work inside.
So what are you gonna go do right now?
Trying to wire from here to the front, make it a little bit wider.
How are you gonna do that?
That's hard. I have to figure it out first what
Okay.
I want to do.
All right, well, I'll come visit you in a little bit then.
Yeah. On this hole or on my?
He doesn't have a hole in his shirt.
Stay away from my
Why
hole.
are you laughing?
I don't trust you.
So what did you do to fix it? Did you just move this central bar like more towards the nose, more towards the front?
No, I just cut it, open it, and bend this out more.
Oh, okay.
So now that I let it go, you know how it went back.
Yeah.
So I did it 32 inches. inches. So when I close it, it goes half inch back on.
Got it.
It's getting there now. It's working like I want it to.
So now do you have to widen this one too?
Yeah, that one too. Yeah.
So you'll take it off and you'll basically bend it a little bit, like try to make it a little bit more straighter.
Right here I have 22 inches from here to there. So right now I'm 22 and a quarter. Should be fine right there, I don't know. I'm just gonna lose the bolts and go put it back on. So I don't go too far.
All right, yeah.
One more time.